Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how you can manage products and different product configurations using OBS ERP. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have already populated information in module products. We have created a gaming machine comprised of multiple materials and sub-products. Now I am going to create a new configuration based on this template by copying and modifying the existing recipe. OBS ERP allows you to create a product assembly from scratch or use existing assembly as a template. You can remove sub-products from the recipe by using the minus button next to the element you would like to remove. Using the Add Product button, you can add product to the current recipe. Then you can decide which elements of the recipe to remain in your configuration. This way we have created a new product that can be used in module quotations and manufacturing requests. Now, let's create a new product from scratch without using a template. Clicking on an element provides you with detailed information and allows you to make changes if necessary. Let's add some more products to complete the recipe. All elements of the recipe are stored in a submodule called Recipe. It allows you to set different parameters such as quantity and calculation formulas. Additionally, you can check the quantities in stock for every physical or logical warehouse location. This concludes our demo. Thank you for your attention.